In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam launch options when starting a game. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find launch options in Steam, how to enter them correctly, and which common commands can help streamline your experience. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Find the game you want to adjust, right-click it, and choose Properties. This opens a settings window for that specific game. In the left side menu, make sure you're on the General tab. At the bottom of that tab, you'll see a field labeled Launch Options. This is where you'll type the commands that change how your game starts. Launch options are entered as command line arguments. That means you type each option starting with a dash, like novid, and separate multiple options with a single space. Some games also accept options that start with a plus sign, but the most common ones use a dash. There's no need to click a save button. Steam saves your changes automatically. When you're done, just close the window and start the game as usual. Let's go over a few widely used options. If you want quicker loading straight into menus or gameplay, Novid skips intro videos. It's a simple way to shave off a few seconds every time you launch. If your system can spare the resources, High sets the game's CPU priority to high, which can help the operating system give it more attention. This won't magically boost frame rates on its own, but it can reduce hiccups if your computer is juggling other tasks. For display mode, full screen forces a true full screen session, which can sometimes improve performance or reduce input latency on certain setups. If you prefer multitasking or easier alt-tabbing, use Windowed or SW to launch the game in a window. You can combine options as needed. For example, entering Novid High Full Screen tells Steam to apply all three. Just make sure each option is separated by a space and spelled exactly as shown. If something doesn't work as expected, remove options one by one to isolate the cause, or clear the field entirely to return to default behavior. Not every game supports every option, and some titles may override your choice based on in-game settings. Thanks for watching.